Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can transfer crypto from Revolut X to Revolut without any fee. So first thing, you just have to open your Revolut X, and then once you open it, you will be redirected to their homepage. So from here, you just have to click on withdraw, and then choose the crypto that you want to send to Revolut. So let's say for example the Solana, click on that one, and then you just have to put here the amount of the crypto that you want to go ahead and send to Revolut. So just have to type in the amount and tap on confirm. So as you can see from here, it will be automatically sent to your Revolut. So once you're done with that, just tap on confirm, and then you will see a confirmation below that you have withdrawn this amount of Solana. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!